Hello, I'm Kristen Still, Assistant Director at the Audie Murphy American Cotton Museum. And today I'm going to show you how to make a craft we do with our summer camp program. And it's for a World War I summer camp called Camp Doughboy, and it is a World War I trench diorama made out of a shoebox. So all you need for this craft, it's pretty easy, is one ordinary shoebox, tape, scissors, a cereal box, and newspaper. And you'll also need, once you get to the decorating phase, you'll also need rigid cast or paper mache, paint, and anything you want to use to decorate it with, such as army men or popsicle sticks, but we'll get into that later. Alright, if you have an ordinary shoebox where the lid is totally removable, you'll just tape it together, like so, in this little shape. Now, if you have a shoebox like this one, where you see the lid is attached, well, you can still use that, that's no problem. You're just going to cut right along here, edge of the box, and then you will tape it in a configuration similar to this. Okay. And once you are done with that, you will take your cereal box, and you will just, you'll start by cutting these edges off here where the little flaps are, and you will put it in a configuration somewhat like a stair step, like this. And that's where the newspaper comes in. You'll tape in newspaper just for stability. So that's a little more stable and a little more sturdy. Now, this is the part where you'll need the rigid cast or paper mache if you do not have rigid cast. And this project will take a day because the rigid cast or the paper mache will have to dry overnight. So it'll take a couple of days. You'll have your kiddos cover this in either the rigid cast or the paper mache. And then once it's done, it'll be able to fit in the box just like this. You'll kind of have your trench, where this is the bottom of the trench and these are the little stair steps up. And once that's done, you want this part to be, you want your cereal box part to be removable for the decorating phase. This is what it looks like. This is a finished one, as you see. And why you want this part to be removable, this part right here, is because you'll have your kiddos paint a background just on paper, and you'll tape it in there. Then you'll place their painted, finished little stair step in, and you'll add all sorts of other little decorations. There's I don't know if you can see, but there are popsicle sticks and dowel rods that have been used to make little extra things, such as a ladder or like flooring, remnants of a barbed wire fence and whatnot. You can also use army men. We usually give the kids little army men to put in their trench to make it look more real. And it's a lot of fun once you let the kids get going and see what they create. It is really entertaining to see what they come up with. Sometimes it's really off-the-wall stuff, and it's really, really interesting. And so I hope that was helpful if you were looking for something fun to do with the kids or grandkids. And thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye.